I'm going to be starting this vlog in an interesting way. By the title of this video, y'all already can see that I am moving abroad. Right now, I'm about to go ahead and purchase my one-way flight. Yeah, y'all, your girl is gonna be moving to Thailand. On this channel, y'all gonna learn a lot about your girl. If y'all don't know, I am a heavy lover of K-pop. I can't even say a year, but I just know I've been a K-pop fan for over 15 years, girl. Like OG. I've been here since Super Junior, Shiny, Girls' Generation. Yeah, I'm that old. I just love how there's a layover in Seoul. It's not a long layover, unfortunately, but I will make it my duty to visit Seoul. All right, y'all. We about to go ahead and hit buy. Y'all, it's still loading. Oh my god, I just did that. We deep the fuck in now. We deep in. Hey y'all, so right now it is 1 o'clock. It just hit 1 o'clock. Tuesday, July 1st. Or is it Wednesday? It's either Tuesday or Wednesday, but I do know it is July 1st. I am about to go ahead and get my nails removed. I don't even want to show y'all because it's so embarrassing, girl. Ew. This one, look at this. It hurts. I'm about to go ahead and go get these soaked off. Actually about to go get my toes done, the French tip on my toes. Tomorrow I have a nail appointment at 9:30. I did schedule it for 12, but she had texted me. I almost got scared because she started off with "Hey boo." She said she had forgot she had an appointment, so I had to take her 9:30 appointment, which I did not want to get up that early, but it's okay. I'll make it regardless. I've never gotten my nails done by an IG nail tech before, so this will be the first and obviously the last. This is the style that I'm gonna get on my nails. I think it's cute because it's real tropical. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go get this sorted.
But these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm still on the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody notice it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spinning like a great escape. I need a new drink, gold eyes on chains. The fucking I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Cause I'm not getting too high. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell me so. I'm on the loop, I'm out of range.
Okay y'all, so I'm back after all of my nail appointments. Showed y'all the footage of getting my toes done. I just left from my nail appointment. She executed so beautifully. Like, I really don't know what I'm about to do now. Right now it is 11:59. Basically it's about to be noon, and I'm about 20 minutes out from where I live. I have not ate since before I left. Now that I think about it, I think I might want to grab some sushi. By the way, I didn't even tell y'all I got a new phone. I no longer have my 11. Y'all probably didn't even know I had an 11 because I don't really vlog like that. But I had an iPhone 11. I've had it since 2022. I just went ahead and upgraded to a iPhone 15. I have the pink one. I've just been taking advantage of this bomb ass camera that it has. I'm gonna get back to my side of town, grab some sushi, go home, edit, at least start cleaning out my room. But once I'm at home, I'm gonna switch over to my Sony ZV-1F camera. I'll see y'all, I guess, when I get home. I'm actually about to go ahead and show y'all some stuff that I done bought early for my move. I got 2 packages from Amazon. Some of it has like bulk items, skincare, lotions, and all that other stuff, because there are some things that are not in Thailand, so I just want to buy things in bulk. So far, let me show you what I got. I got some bubble wrap with it actually came with the fragile stickers, which is even better because I'm just going to stick the stickers on the suitcases. 2 sets of packing cubes. This was just honestly something that I wanted, but I feel like it was needed as well. I'm really trying to get into makeup. The makeup brushes that I have, I've had them since like 2017. I've had the makeup brushes for 8 years, y'all. So I did get a whole new pink set. And then next we have some of my skincare. So this is face wash that I like to use. It is the Face Shop Rice Water Cleanser. And then I have my Faded Topicals Brightening and Clearing Serum. This is for dark spots. And then I swear by this lotion. This is my last step. My skincare routine, I always end it with lotion. If y'all been on TikTok, then y'all already know what this is. This shit right here. The Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray. Currently, this is my favorite lotion right now. This is the EOS Strawberry Dream. This is my favorite lotion. I love the smell of strawberries and sweet scent. Girl, girl, it's inside the box. Why is it that? I did grab this lotion right here. This is the, wait, this is body wash, y'all. Did I just accidentally buy body wash? Girl, I just bought body wash. I'm sitting here wondering, why is the bottle so heavy? I guess I got some EOS body wash. I'm gonna have to go in stores, search for some EOS lotion. This is another part of my skincare right here. This is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. This is new. This is a new edition, and it is by Medicube Zero Pore Pads. So these are toner pads. Next, I have this. Y'all are probably looking like, girl, what the fuck is this? I have this for 2 reasons. I didn't realize it was gonna be for 2 reasons until I did a deep dive with my suitcases and what I'm bringing. This is a 20-pack shoe bags. I have a couple of pairs of shoes that I'm going to be bringing. These will be used for my shoes, and then these will also be used for some of my liquid products, my hair care tools. I am going to the beauty supply store to grab some more hair products and things that I may need. A lot of those things will go in these bags. Over prepared. Maybe, is that the Capricorn in me? Is that the Virgo rising in me? That might be the Virgo rising in me. I did grab a Fire Stick because I do want to watch my shows like Netflix, my Hulu, my Peacock, if you're watching Love Island right now. Right now, I do have one giant Fashion Nova bag right here. This bag has a lot of dress clothes, long dresses, going out dresses. We do have a giant package right here. I have a second Fashion Nova package coming on Monday. Let's get into this one. I already see some yellow. I already know what that is. Very colorful, very tropical colored, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up so y'all can go ahead and see what it's giving. Of course, every outfit I will have the information on the side. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this try on haul.
I believe everything we had was last. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Clearly I made the dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Can't believe I fell for yours, and I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat and lose one. It took me some time, but now I moved on. But I realized I got
Okay, so right now I'm just giving y'all a quick little voiceover. So right here, I'm just kind of packing all of my bulk items that I got from Amazon and my beauty supply store items. Y'all gonna see everything I showed, everything in the camera, but I did have to stop at the end because I got some important phone calls, so I couldn't continue the vlog. After this part, the vlog will end. Y'all will see my first day moving in, going from the hotel to my apartment. Y'all will get the official apartment tour in the second vlog, so make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. Make sure y'all pick up that phone because I'm gonna be calling, okay?
Yeah. Whoa. I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts, and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open while you acting like it's closed, I don't know.